Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a Rakhi easily. Take a 2 round shape canvas, big size white mirror kundan. Apply glue at the center of canvas and paste kundan at the center. Now apply glue around the kundan and paste white color stone chain around it. And now after pasting, cut at the end. Again apply glue around it. And paste a green color ball chain. After pasting, cut at the end and adjust it. Now again apply glue around a green color ball chain. And again paste green color ball chain. Apply glue around it. And again paste a golden color stone chain. And cut at the end. Again paste a golden color stone chain. After pasting, adjust it and cut at the end. And adjust it. And now take another canvas and apply glue and paste at the back side of it. Now on the other canvas we have some space at the corner. Take another canvas, apply glue. Now paste it back again. At the corner of extra canvas, apply glue around and paste a drop shape green color stone. Now we are going to paste it one by one around fully. As I have pasted and it got dry. Now take a yellow color. Now take yellow color woolen thread. At the back side of design, round design we have made, apply glue at the center like this. And take a woolen thread, paste at the center. Now take one side insert a cone shape head cap. Now big size pearl Again a cone shape head cap, and next bell shape material. Again a big size pearl, 2 big size pearls. Now I have inserted 4 pearls. Again a bell shape material. At the last insert a big size pearl. After a big size pearl, insert heart shape material. Now make a knot at the end of that material. I have made similarly on the other side too. Again make a knot at the end. Now turn a round shape design, apply glue and paste some canvas. Thus we have made a Rakhi very easily. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe Pebble.